Time to do the flooring. Yay! Alright, and of course the first things first, this thing stuff's hard. You want to go around and anywhere that you see things that stick up like that, see, we'll go ahead and knock all those loose so that you don't have any high spots underneath it. And then you want to sweep the floor real good, pull up the shop vac, get under the sheetrock at the very bottom. Okay, now one of the funnest things about doing the flooring is you get so far, and then you find out one of them wasn't cut just enough to where whenever you straighten everything out, it pops it loose somewhere. Check this out. Over here at the very end, this here is buttoned up against the sheetrock. So this wall, of course, isn't at all straight, so it comes in a little bit. And that's what happened is I have to keep cutting them shorter and shorter because that wall's coming in further and further. That sucks. That's what it did is it popped this loose. I popped this loose 4 times and had to come back and take a lot of it off because you have to shave one and then pop it all back together so that you can close that gap, because all the way over there it's too short to button up. Yay. So I got to take that little piece out and I got to take all this back off and then get that piece, snap it back in, or try to snap it in with all that there. I haven't been able to yet, but I'll try. Tell you one thing though, after you get that first couple rows perfectly straight, they really start clicking together at that moment. Now, I'm getting her. Tell you what, look how fucking sexy that cut is. Oh my God. Not as sexy as that one. That one's a little gaped. Man, I'm just trying to do flooring in the middle of the fucking night. Why you go to hell? Can't even go into my house. I'm bound and determined to get this shit done though. Yeah, I didn't even know it was going a second ago. I was walking through this little pathway right here. I was like, oh, I'm getting wet. I had to come out to make the cut. And I noticed something kind of sting for a second as I was walking by, and I was like, oh. And I took my headphones off because, of course, I'm jamming the fuck out, right? And it's fucking hell, man. Hell, that's fucked up. I don't really know what to say, man. It's been helling pretty good for like 10 minutes. And as soon as I get up to go inside to go put this piece of flooring down and find out what I need to cut up for the next one, I hear it falling again. Whatever, man. Fuck it. Man, you know my neighbors love me. That's my last cut for the night, though. That should make them happy. I was almost done. I had to keep going. I said 2 hours ago. Yay, my last piece. Only at 2:17 in the morning. Of course, I hope the caulking guy is good. Crazy. That's all the leftovers I have from this room and the living room. So I keep putting them back in the box when I'm done with the room. This is it. Yes, I'm pretty baked. But anyway, good night. Hopefully I get up at a decent time. Tomorrow is the sermon. Night, man, I'm tired as fuck. So here I am again. Started my walk. I got out of bed about 6:30, but that's kind of crazy. I actually fell asleep about 3:30, so whatever. Another day starts away. Man, tell me that isn't sleeping. I could lay my bed right here in the middle of this and take a fucking nap right now, dude. Far out, man. Love it. Oh my gosh.